If your 2024 Hyundai Tucson, Sonata, or Sonata Hybrid suddenly throws a check engine light, or even loses power while driving, this Hyundai issue may be the reason. Have you seen that warning come on already? Stay with me until the end, because this could range from a free repair at the dealer to a pretty expensive bill if it gets diagnosed outside the campaign. What makes this issue interesting is that most drivers would not immediately suspect the EGR valve assembly. A lot of people would assume a random sensor glitch, weak battery behavior, or some unrelated engine problem. But Hyundai says the real concern is a faulty sensor inside the EGR valve assembly that may create an electrical short. And that short matters because the EGR valve and crank position sensor share the same power circuit. So when that short happens, it can do more than trigger a warning light. It can also affect how the vehicle drives, which is why this can feel much more serious than a normal emissions-related fault. The symptom phase is where this story gets more concerning. Hyundai says drivers may see the malfunction indicator lamp come on, but the bigger warning is sudden loss of drive power during operation. That is the kind of symptom that instantly turns this from an annoying warning light into something drivers take very seriously. This appears to affect certain 2024 Hyundai models, including the Tucson, Sonata, and Sonata Hybrid. It does not appear to be every single vehicle from those models, but it does cover a specific group of 2024 vehicles. If you are scanning for trouble codes, Hyundai lists several that may appear with this issue. Those include P0405, P0642, P0652, P0404, P049D, and P240F. So even if a driver only notices a warning light or reduced performance, the diagnostic side of it can still point back to this known EGR problem pretty quickly. This is also where many owners could misread the situation at first. Because some of those codes can sound like isolated sensor or circuit problems, a driver could easily think the fix might be a crank sensor, wiring issue, or a simple check engine light reset. But Hyundai says the root of the problem may actually be inside the EGR valve assembly itself. The mechanical cause, according to Hyundai, is contamination inside the EGR valve sensor during manufacturing. Hyundai says that contamination can potentially lead to an internal electrical short. That short is the core reason the warning light can come on and why power loss can happen. When it comes to the repair, Hyundai's fix is not just a quick reset or software update. The official remedy is replacement of the EGR valve assembly and gasket. That tells you this is being treated as a real parts replacement issue, not just a temporary calibration problem, and the work does not look especially minor on every model. This is the kind of repair that can take more than a quick under-hood check, which helps explain why some owners may hear that the vehicle needs to stay at the dealer longer than expected. That also lines up with limited anecdotal owner reports around Hyundai EGR-related issues. I did not find enough exact match reports for this precise issue to call it a strong consensus, but related owner discussions do show similar frustration with warning lights, diagnosis delays, and repairs taking longer than expected. So from a driver perspective, the experience can look something like this. The vehicle seems mostly normal, then a warning light appears, then maybe performance changes, or the vehicle loses power unexpectedly, and only later does the dealer trace it back to the EGR system. That kind of delayed clarity is exactly why this issue can feel confusing at first. Now let's talk repair cost, because that is what many viewers care about most. If your vehicle is included in Hyundai Service Campaign 9B3, Hyundai says the repair is done at no charge. But if you had to pay for this job yourself, you would probably be looking at roughly $500 at an independent shop, or closer to $700 at a dealership, once you factor in both the new EGR valve assembly and the labor to install it. The biggest takeaway here is simple. If you own a 2024 Hyundai Tucson, Sonata, or Sonata Hybrid, and you are dealing with a check engine light, EGR-related fault codes, or any sudden loss of drive power, it is worth asking the dealer specifically about Hyundai Service Campaign 9B3 and Bulletin 2401-080H. If you have experienced this issue on your Hyundai, let me know what symptoms you saw first. Was it just a check engine light, or did you actually feel a loss of power while driving? And if this helped you connect the dots on your vehicle, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment so more drivers can find this before they waste time chasing the wrong repair. If you have experienced this issue on your Hyundai, let me know what symptoms you saw first. Was it just a check engine light, or did you actually feel a loss of power while driving?